Technical indicators are chart analysis tools that traders can use to better comprehend and respond to market movement. There is a vast selection of technical analysis tools available for analyzing trend, providing price average, measuring volatility, and other purposes. For this assignment, we have chosen to analyze 3 stocks using 5 indicators, including Bollinger Band, Moving Average Convergent Divergence, MACD, the Rate of Change, ROC, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Stochastic. The first company we're going to analyze is Masing Group Berhad. Masing Group is a Malaysian corporation that focuses on 3 segments: real estate, plastics and investment holdings, and others. Masing is a Malaysian firm with roots dating back to 1991, founded by Tan Sri Datuk Sri Leong Hoi Kum, with operations centered in the Malaysian capital of Kuala Lumpur. This firm has been publicly traded since 1992 on Bursas Malaysia's main market. As for Masing, the final price as of July 13, 2022 was 58 cents. The starting is the Bollinger Band. Beginning on April 4th, when resistance broke the upper band, the price created a bearish pattern that lasts until May 5th, when support touched the lower band and attempt to climb but continued to decrease. On the 20th of June 2022, the support breaks the lower band and appears to establish bullish market. However, as of the 12th of July, the price attempted to rise but failed, and it has been declining since the 13th of July. As the price continues to fall, it remains below the middle band. Trader can elect to buy stocks. Next is the Moving Average Convergent Divergence MACD. On June 27, it appears that the MACD line has crossed above the signal line, indicating a buy signal to traders. This was confirmed by the MACD histogram, which moved from below 0 to above 0 line. There has been no crossover of the MACD and signal line as of July 13, 2022. Consequently, there is no clear selling indication. Nonetheless, the MACD histogram has continued to climb above 0. Hence, traders can select to sell at the current moment. Then we look into the RSI signal. On 20 June, the market is oversold, which shows strong buy signal. Then it rises back and entering back into market until July 8, where the price touches 70% line. Then on July 13, the RSI line declined toward 50% line, and it appears it is giving good signal to sell since the market is turning from bullish to bearish. As demonstrated by the last stochastic indicator on 12 July 2022, the %K line and %D line is approaching above 80%. This is a result of strong buying interest shown by the investors. The market is showing overbought, and this often interpreted as selling opportunity. However, as of 13 July, the stochastic signal dropped but still somewhere near 80%. If a trader has a short-term outlook, he or she should sell to generate a profit because the price may decrease in the future. Now, I will invite Syifa to continue this presentation.
Thank you, Dina, for inviting me. I am Syifa Natasha. I will continue with the technical analysis of Company B. We have choose YTL Power International Berhad. YTL Power International Berhad is a multinational utility company. It is headquartered in Kuala Lumpur and is publicly traded on the Bursa Malaysia. It has operation in Malaysia, United Kingdom, Singapore, and Indonesia. They offer essential services such as power, clean water, efficient service system, and high-quality communication services to the communities all around the world. Their duty is to guarantee that the little items you rely on every day perform properly. Moving on to the technical analysis on this company. The above chart shows YTL Power International Berhad stock buying and selling signal as of 13 July, last day trading at 0.675 ringgit Malaysia per unit close price. The prediction day is on 14 July, the next day. The first indicator, which is Bollinger Band, the decision for trader in Bollinger Band is encouraged buying signal when price swings toward middle band and try to enter the asbestos market at the last day. So, before it's entered, traders are encouraged to buy the stock as it may rise the next following day. As long as the stock shows uptrend, it still can buy at the price of 0.675 per unit stock. The next indicator is MACD, the Moving Average Convergent Divergence. As it can be seen in the chart, the stock should be sold because of the MACD histogram still above 0. When it is above 0, it indicates the traders to sell the YTL stock, which is the overbought stock. The next indicator, which is the third indicator, ROC rate of change, it is suggested that traders should buy the stock since the ROC is still at 0 and showing positive momentum to move upward. If traders buy now, it is predicted to increase of the price at the next day. Other than that, RSI, which is Relative Strength Index, also indicated the traders to buy the YTL stock since the RSI line is on 52.9%, which is not at overbought 70% situation right now and shows positive momentum to rise to uptrend. And the last indicator for this technical analysis is stochastic, which also provide the buy signal to traders when the line shows the uptrend momentum to increase the price for the next following day. The stochastic is still below overbought market, which the line is 60% and it shows the uptrend to increase for the next day.
Lastly is company Coastal Contract Berhad. Coastal Contract Berhad is a Malaysian company which provide marine product and service to the shipping, oil and gas and commodities industry. Coastal have delivered over 400 vessels since Coastal Transport was incorporated in 1976. This company is listed on the main board of Bursa Malaysia. The chart is provided for a 6-month period. The final price as of 13 July 2022 was RM1.61 per unit of stock. Based on the 5 January indication, the predicted price will be on 14 July 2022. The first indicator is the ball digger band. As of 13 July 2022, traders should consider hold the stock and stand by to buy since the price is below the middle band and the price is cheaper. Next, for the MACD, trader received a strong sell signal when the MACD line crossed below the signal line, which intersected each other on 7 June 2022. Plus, strong buy signal when the MACD line crossed over signal line with histogram at 0. It shows signal for the traders to buy at the last day of the trading because the histogram below 0 without crossover. For the ROC on the 23rd May 2022, the rate of change line surpassed the 0 line. It shows an overbought and this gives signal for the traders to sell. Thus, the line moved close to the 0 also signal poor momentum. For today's decision, ROC is negative 4.2%, which is below 0 line that indicates the signal buying for the traders. Next, for the RSI, when the RSI line fell below 30% on 4 July, it shows traders a buy signal and the stock was oversold. However, the stock has since crossed over the 30% line. Thus, this is recommended for the traders that has already have the stock to hold their stock, but traders may stand by themselves to buy the stock as it shows the price will rise in future. For the last indicator is stochastic. On 30 May 2022, it indicates that the line for the relative strength index is overbought and above 70%. Stochastic indicates the traders to buy the stock as the line at 20%, whereas present the stock is oversold on that time. That's all for me. Thank you.
Moving to the last part of this presentation. For the overall comment and conclusion for this technical analysis of company Mahsing Group Berhad is the majority of indicators including MACD, RSI and stochastic indicates the traders that the stock should be sold. Second company is YTL Power International Berhad. The majority of the indicators in this stock, which are Bollinger Band, ROC, RSI and stochastic, are displaying buying signal for the traders. For the last company is Coastal Contracts Berhad. This company, to summarize overall signs, Coastal Contract Berhad stock may be purchased on the last day of trading because the price indicators largely offer a buying signal to traders.